Hello everyone, this is Rich from the Aeronoming Bird channel. I've been trying to catch up on getting videos uploaded and I almost missed this one, so I feel very fortunate that I didn't miss it and I'm really excited to share it with you. After recently uploading a number of videos about a female Downy Woodpecker, I'm happy to announce that we also had a male stop by one afternoon. As I pointed out in the previous video, you can tell he's a male because of that red patch of feathers on the back of his head. I love how fired up he is. While he's going crazy on the outside of the box, I just want to say that I really hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll check in with you again soon.